this video we are going to learn how many backlinks you need for your website or a blog. So let me take you example for one of my website which is used for your training purpose. So let's suppose this is my one of website blog basically which is targeted to US, United States and travel niche. So how I know what type of backlink I need? For that what I have to do, just let's suppose I have to go to the Google and find things to do in USA. Let's suppose I want to check what are the competitors of my, okay. For that I need a website which is not e-commerce type like travel site or booking site. No, we are not going for that. This is a website, TripAdvisor. So it's a basically website where you have to compete very big player. So we don't need this type of website, we need blog. So let's suppose we will open the another website or a blog and see if this blog or it's a type of website similar to that one. It is also, as you can see, it's a call now button, booking. So we don't go with this website. Now we will, let's suppose, open another website. Let's suppose we will open this one website. But how we know the website is high authority or low authority? So for that we have to just open our own plugin basically which is absolutely free. I have already told you, Uber Suggest. Okay, now what you have to do, just enable this thing. Okay, now again I refresh it, so it will show me the authority side. As you can see, this is a very high authority site: 78, 93, 58, 91, 52, 61, 80, 93, 19, 93. So I have to just see the website which is low authority. So I will open one by one all website into my new tab and see is that website is low authority or high authority. It will show me the almost what type of website is this. Okay, if you don't understand, okay, let me suppose I will take this as an example. As you can see, this is a blog. As you can see, this is a pure and core blog. For that I have to just copy this into the free RF backlink checker and just see what my competitor backlink are coming from. Now after pull down all those links, as you can see over here, this is a website. I don't know whose website is this, but it will show you the backlink from they have taken. Like that you can check out all those websites and go and try the 1900 linking websites. Okay, and total backlinks 4600. Now if you have a paid plan of this RF, you can just pull the website and it will show you where this competitor website, it can be in any niche, from where they have taken the backlink. Go and you can also replicate the backlinks. Let's suppose this is a website similar to travel, and here from this website you can find out your competitor backlink and you can replicate them and make backlink more than that. In this case I have given an example of travel niche. You can go and take this example for any niche, it doesn't matter. So like that I will also make a replicate my backlink for my website. I hope this tutorial help you. If you have any doubt, any query or any questions regarding the number of backlink, you can ask me here or you can ask me in my Facebook too. Thank you my friends.